quick demo and progress update on the progress that we've made on the safety app for the Girl Scouts of San Diego. So I'm going to start by showing the login screen. So it's got a username and password here, and also got register new account. So for new users, they would click on register new account. That opens up another screen. Note this is kind of slow because it's running on an emulator on my desktop. So in registering account, they would put their full name, they would put their username, and then the password and confirmation of the password, and then the troop number, and then they would click submit. That registers their name in the database. This is all going out to a Firebase database. And once that's done, it goes back to the login page. So now the user can enter their username and password and click login, and it will open the home page. And it gives a little prompt saying that they don't have a safety checkoff list. So the main goal we're trying to do is be able to streamline the safety checkoff list process. So here we've clicked start new activity safety checkoff. And this gives you a selection of some of the lists that I've put in. So they say, okay, maybe we're going to go swimming. So let's click on that. And when they click on it, it goes to the database. It gets a bunch of items. So here's a list of some things they might need. And then when this item shows, they can click yes or no as to whether they've completed it. Again, this is all getting saved to the database. So when they're done selecting that, they can go back home. And then now it's their current safety checkoff list. So when they click on this, it'll reopen it. So note that it's going to open the same view, and it's remembered the values there that they had selected before. So go back to home now. And if they try to do a new activity list, it basically gives them a prompt saying, hey, this is going to wipe out your previous one. So there's only going to be one, for now, there's only going to be one checkoff list per user. So they can start a new checkoff list, or they can keep the existing one. So in this case, we clicked start a new one, which means that they've completed their previous one or they don't want to use it anymore. And they're planning for another safety activity. And this time, maybe they'll go with backpacking. And this again gives another prompt that they'll overwrite it. I just want to make sure that they don't lose their previous one. In the future, we could add that they save them, but right now that's not in there. So notice there's a lot more items for backpacking to check off. So they can go in and check these. And same thing, gets saved to the database. And now they go back home. And the other thing, so when we're back home, the other thing that we added was Girl Scout safety links. So these are also links that go to the Girl Scouts website, whether it's PDF files, whether it's web pages, and opens them up. So there's a few of these here that I've linked to. We can add more of them, but here's the safety resources page. When they click on that, it opens up another view, and then it goes out and loads. And the good thing is that the Girl Scouts of San Diego webpage is very well made. It's responsive, so it actually looks really good in the mobile app. It almost looks like an app itself when it displays. So here it's displaying, and the user can view it and scroll down it. They can even click on that little menu and move around in it if they want to. So this gives them access to it on the mobile app. Right. So we'll go back now, and that's it for the demo. Thank you.